In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload receipts for expenses on Freshbooks. This can be a handy feature if you're looking to effectively manage your spending and keep track of your financial documents for future reference and accounting purposes. Getting organized financially often starts with small steps, and uploading receipts is one of those essential tasks that can help you maintain a clear, organized, and easily accessible record of your expenses. To get started, you first need to navigate to the Expenses section on Freshbooks. This is where all your financial records related to expenditures are stored and categorized. Once you're there, look for an option labeled Uploads. Clicking this will direct you to the section where new documents can be added. The Uploads section is essentially a digital filing cabinet where you can compile and organize all relevant receipts and invoices pertaining to your business transactions. The next step involves uploading your receipt to Freshbooks, which is a straightforward process. Start by clicking on Upload Documents. This action will prompt your computer's file manager to open, allowing you to select the files you want to upload. It's important to note that Freshbooks currently accepts JPEG, PNG, and PDF formats, so ensure that your receipts are saved in one of these formats beforehand. If not, you might need to convert them, either by using a simple photo editor or document converter tool. Selecting the appropriate files and uploading them is a breeze, and the system is designed to handle a fair amount of data seamlessly, maintaining efficiency even with multiple uploads. Once your documents are successfully uploaded, they automatically appear in the Upload section. Now, this is where it gets interesting. With your documents neatly secured in Freshbooks, you have the opportunity to review each one to ensure all details are accurate and complete. Having your documents in this dedicated space ensures you can convert them into expenses easily. This process involves verifying the data, such as the date of the transaction, the vendor name, and the total amount spent, to accurately align with your financial records. By following these steps, you've effectively bolstered your expense management process. Not only have you organized your receipts digitally, but you've also installed a convenient system within Freshbooks that plays a critical role in managing finances efficiently. And there you have it, folks, a clear, concise, and organized approach to uploading receipts on Freshbooks, aiding you in maintaining a meticulous record of your expenses. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to stay organized and on top of your financial matters.